Silver City. They have Snappy Mart burritos, and they're fried, nasty little burritos, but they're the best nasty burrito you'll ever have.
Where are they?
Oh, delicious.
Wow.
Do your spirit fingers. Why don't they do spirit fingers?
They say that Jimmy Waters walked down when his town's lost in flame. Colors day after day will make them remain our masterpiece. Oh my, oh my love, baby, take my breath away. As you're afraid, you sculpture of the clay.
Well, good morning. So we are going to the 4th of July parade. So we're all in our festive outfits. The twins, my sister's twins, are going to be in the parade. So should be fun. So let's go watch a parade. They're over there. Do you see Ruben on the corner?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's his working corner.
What?
It's your camera.
Hey, don't you look at Trailer Park Tammy?
Hey guys.
Look at you, boy. Hot dog sucks. He can't
He's like, is that Trailer Park Tammy?
I was going to do it in my Santa suit, but somebody had it. My Santa suit, I was going to do it in my Santa suit.
Ooh, look, get an Otter Pop, Jax.
I got to go pick it up.
Please. Jackson. Talking to you.
I say yes.
Hello. I think I want a watermelon lemonade.
One strawberry. One strawberry. And let me get a matcha mama. Of course, my mama's not there.
Yo mama approves.
Not your mama's, but mama approved. We gotta get another placard.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. God bless you guys.
All right, thank you. God bless you. Okay, let's get your review of it. My watermelon one. Oh, sorry. My watermelon one is good.
I am very scared at the blindness. Not your mama's.
Can't even get the straw open.
Miles is struggling. Not too sweet, huh? But it's sweet enough.
Bang, bang, bang. Good luck. Go ahead. Try it.
Are we going the wrong way?
He has lost a lot of weight, huh?
Huh? Because he's busy with the guys there.
What?
We were saying we're not going to find the guys to hurry back. And then you were doing like that little dance. You want a team, huh? Your daughter wants the wicked bathing suit.
They just took baths.
She wants to get in. She just showered. You take her off the shower, you're getting in again. She wants the wicked one. She took it off herself? Okay. That's crazy. She's naked in the hall. She's naked in the hall.
Cheers.
Damn, Scott!